Welcome back to the channel, Ron. Today I'm working on a self-propelled Toro lawnmower, and what has happened, and this has happened to me many times before, is when I go in and I engage the self-propelled, it will not go. And then when I go to engage it, see, it's not engaged. So as I pull that, the motor kind of idles down a little bit, so there is some strain on this. So it tells us that the belt is probably okay. So let's go ahead and dive into this. You're going to need to position this in such a way so you can get underneath this. And if you've got a jack stand kicking around, you can put that underneath there like that, and that should hold it there so you can get underneath here. And then there's going to be a 3/8 bolt on the front and on the back. Go ahead and remove that. And then one in the back. When you pull that top cover off, you're going to reveal the mess that's happening right here. All you have to do is you've got to clean all that grass out of there that's built up. That's all it is. That's the only problem you're going to have. It could be the belt, but more likely it's going to be all this grass. So just stick your screwdriver in there and try to clean it all out. Once you get the worst of it, then we'll put some air to it. All right, once you've done that, let's go and lift it up here. Let's remove our two bolts. And let's go ahead and start it just to see if that's going to work. All right, so we're all set there. Works great. Let's go ahead and put the cover back on. Okay, so before you're thinking you're going to need a belt or a transmission, go ahead, pop that cover off, pull the grass out of there, do the best you can there, take the air compressor, blow some air around there, pop it all back in there, and you should be set to go. So, well, thanks an awful lot for watching, and we'll see you next time.